Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select video options such as the speed and video quality and so on the Twitch application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Select video and tap on the settings icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Here the first option is the video quality option, so tap on the relevant one that you prefer. You can select whether you want audio or chat only, and you can also turn on this show soundtrack changes function. You can turn on the play in background function as well, which means that when the device's lock or home button is pressed, automatically switch to audio only mode and continue playback in the background. The low latency player mode will lower the delay between video and chat messages on some streams. There is also this follow button. You can block and report the user if you want to, or report playback issues as well. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.